welcome to the channel. Today we have an interesting video. This video is regarding the DJI Neo drone, and this is how the drone looks. And I am in the desert, so you can imagine what I'm going to do. I'm going to check the range of the drone as well as the battery life. So I've got the Fly More combo. There are 3 batteries in it. We're going to check only one, and we'll see how much time does it take. DJI claims that it's about 18 minutes. Let's see how much it can go and how far it can go. So let's check that out. Before we do that, do subscribe to the channel, click on the bell icon, and don't forget to like the video to see such more videos. Also, that I did a DJI Neo drone video very recently talking about the features and all of those, so you can check that out as well. Today also we will do some modes. We'll see the manual mode as well as the remote control, which I have right here. So let's get into the video. We have both the things over here. The drone is here. It is slightly windy, but we will still go ahead and fly it. So I'm going to start the drone now. So this is done. Let me start this as well. Normal DJI stuff. Press and hold to start the drone, and there you go. The drone has started. This is also done. I'm saying connect to aircraft. I hope you can see what I'm doing, and that connection is successful. Okay, so now let's go. Let's click on fly and let's see how it goes. So I'm going to say take off over here. So before we do that, 94 is the battery life, and yeah, the drone is drifting because it's extremely windy over here. But we have to see and it's saying strong wind alert as well. But we do have to see how much battery does it take. It's already dropped to 92, but let's see. So the drone is there. I'm not sure if you're able to see it, but that's how it is. It is giving me a strong wind. The battery is at 84. So let's keep going. Let's see how it goes. And I captured some really beautiful shots as well. So let's keep it going. Again, a check over here. We are at 65% and the drone is over there. You can see it compensating for the wind. It is constantly vibrating and giving me a wind alert. But we're still going to go ahead and keep on flying it till it dies. So really interesting over here, and you can see that the drone is over there in the air. I'm not even sure if you can see it, but it's giving me strong wind alerts. It's about 5 kilometers away from me, and it is still saying that it is at 60% of battery, so which is a good thing. And the desert looks absolutely amazing, but it's really strong wind. So maybe you can compensate for the battery life as well and the wind as well. That, you know, strong wind conditions. It's already dropped to 59 while I'm talking. So let's continue doing it. So I've got the drone over here, and as you can see, it is at now 54% of battery, but it is really compensating for the entire battery and everything. So you need to keep that in mind. And otherwise, it looks really good. There's nothing wrong with it. Look at the way it's moving. So yes, small drone, but really good stuff happening over here. And I am just in the cinematic mode, normal mode. I'm not even going to sport as of yet. So now let's take it. We are still at 43% battery, so that is something which is there. But strong wind alerts. Now let's switch to sport. I'm switching to sport now, and I'm not sure how. Look at it move. It's very fast. I'm just sending it ahead to capture some nice footage. I remember that the DJI Neo does not have a memory, so that is something which you always need to consider. Let me put it on normal now. And for me, normal mode is absolutely amazing. It does really well. 38% left. So the battery is just going like that because of the strong winds. So that's something which you need to consider. And look how tilted the drone is. You know, it's just like that. It's not able to handle the strong winds, but it is still doing its bit. Now let's take it somewhere farther so that, you know, we can actually look at the thing. Really beautiful views, and I'm recording all of it to show you guys, so that you can see how it is. And really good views. Amazing, amazing. Let's keep going ahead.
Battery level is low.
So now it is saying.
Aircraft will return to the home point in 10 seconds.
So even though it has got 30 minutes left, it is still saying that it's going to return back.
Return to home.
So now it's returning back on its own. Let's see how that goes. Sorry, it's flying high, but I just hope it doesn't hit this. I'm going to stop. It might hit
Return to home promptly.
the wires. So let me take control of it on this one. You can even set how high it goes, so that you can be sure that you're not going to hit anything. Okay. Now since we are in the safe, we still have 24 minutes to go. So let's again send it somewhere. And so because it is sand, I'm not too worried about the whole thing. So let it go, because we still have 21 minutes of flight left. 20 minutes now. So that's quite good in my opinion. So it is constantly telling me, it's constantly taking the aircraft down because, or the drone down, because it is lost enough battery now. So let me get it close, because I'm not doing anything, it is still going down, but I'm resisting it from going down. So what happens is when the battery gets low, it automatically starts going down, which is another problem. But so now we are still at 16%. So to be frank, that's not even 10-15 minutes of flight time. So that's another issue. But now with 15, it started giving me all sorts of notifications. So let's keep it flying. Let's see what happens. Maybe it's the strong wind condition, and that is why it's deciding that it can't hold on anymore. And that's why it's constantly saying coming back. I don't know whether you can hear this remote also making noises, but that's the remote which is making noise. But I'm constantly flying it, so that I want to see exactly how much time it will feel if you fly. What if you were there somewhere and the drone starts, the battery is constantly stop. So as you can see, it's self-landing. It's not allowing me to control anything, but I'm still going to try. Then we can find out the actual battery. So as soon as it's coming down, I'm trying to put it back up, because it's landing now. It's clear that it wants to land. Now it says it's 5 minutes left now. Let's see what happens when it becomes 0. So 4. Take it a little more high up. Okay, battery level low. It's saying 3 now. Let's take it higher, even more higher. So there you can see the drone going even higher. As soon as I leave it, it again comes down. Now it's 1 minute left. I don't know if it's just going to shut off or what, but I hope it does not. Now it's saying 0 minutes left. I'm just going to try and make it hover at this height, so that if it even drops, there's no problem. So I'm constantly doing it, because if I leave it, it goes down. So even if you were there, and even if it at 0, you can still control it and make it work. So that's not much of an issue. And it's keeping on going, even at 0. Okay, now it's done. It's done, it's done, it's done. It's landed, it's done.
Critically low battery.
It's gone, done. So this was the battery. I think it did really well. It lasted more than 15 minutes in my testing. But yeah, it died. At the end of it, it gave up. It just landed and it was done. You can still find the drone within the app, so there is a way you can find the drone. So suppose if I would have it would have gotten dead, say about a kilometer from here or something, you would have still been able to find it, so which is a very good thing. And yeah, I think it did really well. Now I will use the other modes also. This time we just used one mode, so now let's use the other modes. Let's see how it reacts with this strong wind. And because you are not controlling the drone is controlling itself. So let's see that, and with that we'll end the video. So the battery is at 100%, and there are different modes as well. So you have
Droning, circle, rocket, spotlight, direction track. Follow.
So let's do follow, and the drone should do it on its own. So let's do that.
3, 2, 1.
So right now it's doing everything on its own, and I'm just going to say follow, and it should follow me really well. And please also see that there's a lot of wind. The drone is slightly tilted, but it is still doing its thing. And as you can see, it's following me. So there you see the drone, it's right there, and as I walk it follows me, and it will keep following me till it dies, so which is a good thing. There you go, that's the drone. So I think this is good enough for you guys as a test, that with strong wind conditions the drone still is where it is, and it is still tracking me. It is amazing at what it can do. Such a small drone, the DJI Neo. Absolutely love it. Now let me land it, and look at this. It is so cool. I'm just showing it my palm, and now we just put my palm under it, and that's it. It lands. So it's done. Amazing, amazing. Really good, really good. I absolutely love it. So how was the drone? It was amazing, right? I really like it, and I absolutely recommend it. We did a lot of battery tests. The battery did last more than 15 minutes on a single charge. It takes care of this absolutely crazy wind which is there, and I think it does really well. It's such a small drone. My full recommendation, if you want to go and buy it, definitely go and buy it. It's really good. And with this, we are at the end of the video. I have made another video, as I said. Do check that out if you want to know about the features and other things. And as usual, thanks for watching.